What? Oh, hello there. I'm Owen Partridge, and this is nature. Today, I'll be taking it out on nature with you, my loyal viewer. We'll be getting lost in the Oakland Hills. It's a harsh environment, full of crows apparently, and you could die within a matter of hours if you're not prepared, which is exactly what I'm going to get you today. Prepared. Let's see, survive here. Let's go. Ah, a lot of people don't realize that it's almost impossible to get lost without driving to a secluded situation beforehand. So, I've printed out this internet map. Now, it's very important that you get your bearings when you're in the woods. Bearing is something that bears have always used to direct themselves to wherever they're going, although they don't know how to use a map. Now, the purpose of the knife is to keep the map down. Stupid. And you can tell by the shadow exactly where the sun is, depending on the position of your stick. So I like it there. Okay. One. Two. Shit! Oh, that's a good bearing. Oh, it's green. Now it's kind of orange. Yeah, shit. We're gonna be going that way. Let's go. Now, it's important when you get into any survival situation at all that you immediately start the largest fire possible. Which is a very simple thing to do. You collect 3 rocks, 2 for your base rocks, 1 for your striker rocks, make sure they're hefty, and of course we have the kindling from earlier. Stupid kindling. Place that on top. Sticks go on top of there. Now it's simply a matter of battering the shit out of it with this one. This could take a while, up to 2 or 3 minutes, and if you don't have time, leave it and it should start itself. Let's go. Now, it is of paramount importance in a survival situation that you exercise as rigorously and as constantly as humanly possible. Oh, it's so difficult. The idea is to get your blood running hot and warm, so you can be at your peak mental and physical performance. Don't be afraid to exhaust yourself. In fact, exhausting yourself is almost as important as making fire and bringing a cell phone. Also, do allow yourself ample time for cigarette breaks, as it keeps group morale up. Here we have it. Good news. Now this is a very important wild herb. It's called a vine. It's chock full of natural antioxidants and medicine and good stuff all around. Now, I've forgotten the exact technical reasons why you want to eat this, so I'll have to refer you to our resident chemist, Dr. X. Okay. See you later, bye. What's that? I smell the river. Remember, cold water's good water. Let's go. All right, here we are. Found our water source. And as you can clearly see, This creek sucks, it's terrible. Well, no worries. That's why we have a container. We don't need nature's container because we brought our own. Simply fill it with this oil-slicked water, and the rampant insect life will provide an additional protein boost. Something tells me that's not going to be enough for this hungry hunter. So, we're going to set up a trap. Now all you do is you take your keys and you hang them from an overhanging branch over your source of water. Now any errant fish that come up will be attracted to those keys and won't leave the area. They'll become obsessed with it. When we return later at nightfall, we should have a delicious salmon dinner. Drink up, America. The water's fine. All right, and we're back. We've found civilization after being lost in the woods for what seemed like eternity. And thanks to our extensive knowledge of natural resources, guiding and trapping, we've survived relatively unscathed, hydrated and satisfied. I knew we'd survive this one. I know you'll survive this one too, America. Just remember these simple hints. Stay hydrated, rigorous exercise paired with positive outlook, and maybe, just maybe, we can take it out on nature together. Goodbye, America. Forgot my salmon.